How to fix Netflix buffering, lag, or playback freezing issues. Let's get started. Firstly, what you want to do is check your internet connection. Launch your settings app, navigate to the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget this network, give a first restart to your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Then enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few seconds and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next up, lower streaming quality. For that, you'll need to launch your Netflix, then head over to the section account, then navigate to the option playback settings. Set to low or medium. Likewise, on the mobile device, tap app settings, click on the option video playback, click on data usage, choose a lower quality option. This reduces buffering dramatically on weak connections. Next thing you want to do is restart your device. Whether you are using a smart TV, phone, laptop, or Fire Stick, a simple restart often helps. Close the Netflix app, power off the device, wait 30 seconds and restart. This clears temporary memory glitches affecting playback. Next thing you want to do is completely delete app from your device and again reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Netflix app, select the option remove app, click on delete app, click on delete. Navigate to Play Store or App Store, search for the app Netflix and then install it. Likewise, switch streaming devices. Try Netflix on a different browser or device. If it works fine elsewhere, the issue may be with your original device. You can also try switching from Wi-Fi to Ethernet for a faster wired connection if you're using a smart TV or PC. Next up, disable VPN or proxy. Netflix does not play well with most VPNs or proxy servers, so launch your settings and disable VPN. VPN interference is a common cause of buffering or freezing. If none of these solutions work, lastly, you can contact Netflix support team. For that, launch your preferred browser and head over to the section Netflix support. And that's how you fix Netflix buffering, lag, or freezing. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.